Your car is burning more fuel. Your idle feels rough at stoplights. Your check engine light keeps coming back no matter how many times you clear it. You have paid 2 shops already and still have no straight answer. One small valve is causing all 3 of those problems at once. Most mechanics either replace it immediately without checking if it is actually broken, or they miss it entirely and blame something more expensive. I am going to show you 11 signs your EGR valve is dying, what is happening inside your engine when it does, and what you can check yourself in 5 minutes before spending $1 anywhere. What is an EGR valve? EGR stands for exhaust gas recirculation. The valve sits between your exhaust manifold and intake manifold, and its only job is to take a small amount of exhaust gas and send it back into the combustion chamber. Those recycled gases lower combustion temperature, which reduces harmful nitrogen oxide emissions. When it works, you never think about it. When it fails, your engine feels it everywhere. There are 2 ways it fails. It sticks open or it sticks closed. Stuck open means too much exhaust gas floods the intake when it should not. Stuck closed means no gas recirculates and combustion runs hotter than designed. Both cause problems, and most of them look like something completely different. Here are the 11 signs. Sign 1. Check engine light that keeps coming back. You clear the code. 3 days later, it is back. You clear it again. Same result. Your engine control unit monitors EGR flow constantly. When the valve sticks or clogs, sensors detect wrong flow and log a fault code. The most common ones are P0400, P0401, and P0402. Here is the kicker. Clearing the code without fixing the valve is like covering a fire alarm with tape. Before you blame anything else, plug in a $30 OBD2 scanner. If you see a P04 code, your EGR system is where the problem lives. Sign 2. Rough idle at stoplights. Your car shakes when you're stopped but smooths out the moment you start moving. Your EGR valve should be completely closed at idle. When it sticks open, exhaust gases flood the intake when they should not be there. The air-fuel mixture gets diluted and the engine chokes trying to maintain a steady RPM. Here is the kicker. Most people spend $200 on spark plugs before checking a $15 EGR cleaning. The shake at idle that disappears when you drive is one of the most specific EGR symptoms there is. If you are seeing this symptom right now, subscribe and drop a comment with your car, make, and mileage. I want to see how many people have been chasing this with the wrong fix. Sign 3. Failed emissions test. Your nitrogen oxide levels came back too high and you have no idea why. The entire job of the EGR valve is reducing nitrogen oxide. When it sticks closed, combustion runs hotter and nitrogen oxide production goes up dramatically. Some studies show a completely failed EGR valve can increase emissions by up to 50 times normal levels. Here is the kicker. Before you agree to a $300 valve replacement, get the valve cleaned first. In most cases, it is clogged, not broken. A cleaning costs $15. A replacement costs $300. Test the cheap option first. Sign 4. Black smoke under acceleration. You press the gas to merge onto the highway, and thick black smoke puffs from the tailpipe. It clears up at steady speed. A stuck open EGR valve floods the intake with exhaust gas during acceleration. There is not enough oxygen to burn all the fuel completely. Unburned fuel exits as black smoke. This is different from blue smoke, which is burning oil, and white smoke, which is coolant. Black smoke under acceleration specifically points to a rich mixture problem. A stuck open EGR valve is one of the fastest ways to get there. Sign 5. Sharp pungent exhaust smell. Not the normal exhaust smell, something sharper and more chemical that burns your eyes slightly. When the EGR valve fails closed, combustion temperatures rise and the engine produces excess nitrogen oxides. Those gases have a distinctive harsh odor, different from the normal exhaust smell most people recognize. Here is the kicker. This smell means your engine is consistently running hotter than it was designed to. That sustained heat causes wear on expensive components over time. Do not ignore a smell that suddenly appeared. Sign 6. Fuel economy that got quietly worse. You used to fill up every 10 days. Now it is every 7. Nothing changed in how you drive. A stuck closed EGR valve makes the engine run hotter and work harder. A stuck open valve reduces combustion efficiency. Either failure mode increases fuel consumption. Most people do not notice until the difference becomes obvious at the pump. Here is the kicker. A $15 EGR cleaning that restores your fuel economy to normal pays for itself within a month in saved fuel. Check your codes before you accept worse fuel economy as just your car getting older. Sign 7. Engine stalling. At idle, your car starts fine and drives normally, but randomly dies when you are sitting still. It restarts immediately every time. A severely stuck open EGR valve floods the intake with exhaust gases at idle until there is not enough oxygen to sustain combustion. The engine shuts off. This almost always happens at idle because at higher speeds there is enough incoming air to compensate. Stalling at idle has many causes, but if it happens specifically when warm and you have P04 code stored, check the EGR valve before diagnosing anything else. Sign 8. Hard starting. When the engine is warm, cold start in the morning is fine, but stop somewhere for 20 minutes and the engine cranks much longer than normal before catching. A stuck open valve allows exhaust gases to sit in the intake manifold while the engine is off. When you try to restart a warm engine, the intake charge is already contaminated before the first combustion event. The mixture is too diluted to ignite quickly. Here is the kicker. Hard warm starts while cold starts work. Fine is one of the more specific EGR symptoms. Most other causes of hard starting affect cold starts equally or worse. That pattern alone should point a mechanic straight to the EGR system. Sign 9. Temperature gauge creeping up on long drives. Normal temperature around town, but on a long highway drive or pulling a trailer, the gauge slowly climbs higher than it used to. The EGR valve helps regulate combustion temperature. When it fails closed, that regulation disappears. Under sustained load, extra heat accumulates faster than your cooling system can remove it. This load-dependent overheating is different from a thermostat problem, which causes overheating regardless of load, and different from a coolant leak, which causes a steady climb no matter how you drive. If your overheating is specifically load-dependent and your cooling system was recently checked, look at the EGR valve next. Sign 10. Engine knock or ping under hard acceleration. You accelerate hard to pass someone and hear a knocking or pinging from the engine that disappears when you ease off. When the EGR valve fails closed, combustion temperatures rise above normal. At those temperatures, fuel can self-ignite before the spark plug fires. That is pre-ignition. The knock you hear is multiple combustion events colliding inside the cylinder. Here is the kicker. Pre-ignition is not just noisy. It damages piston rings and cylinder walls over time. Most people blame low-octane fuel first, but if the knock appeared gradually with no fuel changes, and you have other symptoms from this list, the EGR valve is the cheapest thing to investigate before anything else. If your car has engine knock and you have not pulled codes yet, subscribe. Sign 11. Power loss, specifically at highway speed. Your car pulls fine from a stop, but trying to accelerate past 65 miles per hour to pass someone feels flat and unresponsive. Under high load, your engine needs maximum combustion efficiency. A stuck open EGR valve dilutes the intake charge during hard acceleration. Less oxygen means less power from each combustion cycle. The effect is worst exactly when you need maximum power. Here is the kicker. This is a symptom people adapt to without realizing it. You stop passing on the highway. You give yourself more space to merge. You assume the car is just getting old. Check your EGR valve before you accept that as normal. What to do? 8 of these 11 symptoms come from a valve that is dirty, not broken. Dirty valve costs $15 to clean. Broken valve costs $150 to $500 to replace. The difference between those two outcomes is a $30 OBD2 scanner in 15 minutes of your time. Pull your codes first. If you see P0400, P0401, or P0402, your EGR system is confirmed. If you see no codes, the problem is likely somewhere else, and cleaning the EGR valve will not help you. If codes are confirmed, remove the valve and look at the deposits. Soft black oily carbon cleans in one session. Hard gray chalky carbon needs 2 or 3 cleaning cycles. Either way, use only a dedicated EGR valve cleaner. Never carburetor cleaner, never brake cleaner. Both attack the rubber and plastic components inside the valve and cause more damage than the carbon did. After reinstalling, clear the codes and drive for a full week. Your engine control unit needs time to relearn, and symptoms may not fully disappear until several drive cycles are complete. If codes return after a proper cleaning, then the valve itself has failed and replacement is the next step. But most of the time, they do not come back. If you have any of these 11 symptoms, drop a comment and tell me which ones match your car and what codes you are seeing. I will tell you exactly whether you need a cleaning or a replacement before you spend any money at a shop. Thanks for watching. Your engine will run cleaner because of this.